Hi, Gadget UK here again. Just a quick follow-up here. Can you see, if I just move the camera down a little bit, this chip here, just watching back the video, the live stream we did there, it wasn't flat, it raised up. As soon as I hit this pin here, this side here went way, it went up like that. So yeah, that was bothering me. So all I did is I've just heated it with hot air for about 60 seconds. You see it's gone flat. Yeah, I just heated it for 60 seconds and just put a little bit of pressure there while I was heating it, and it went straight down, flat. So that's that. The other thing I've done, as I meant to show you this, can you see I fitted the base back in here as well? And you can see the solder points there for just to move the camera around. That's not bad. It's not bad at all. Yeah, they look a bit blobby, but they're pretty tidy. So yeah, those were the things that I forgot to show you there. And I didn't see that was raised up until watching it back on the video. I'm sure there were perhaps people screaming in the comments there to you know, deal with that. It's just I just didn't notice it. Hang on, I've not got that aligned properly, have I? Just push that back in. Yeah, there we go. And you can see, despite the fact that socket is not as structurally sound as it should be, it's not that bowed out. It looks all right. Anyway, thanks for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.